Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set who can have access to your Microsoft lists file that you have created via the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website and create your document, and when you are done, you should go to your home page and tap on this share button at the top of the screen in the middle. Then, once it is loaded, you should tap on this button below the link, and here at the top of the screen or at the top of this section you can select the first option, which means that anyone can check out your list, or only the those who have the link. So tap on the relevant circle and then click on the apply button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.